Last session, you learned how to install 5 HA cases of the policy servers by manual configuration. In this session, we are going to learn how to configure bonding interface and NTP in the policy server by manually. Let's start the second chapter of how to configure optional settings in the policy server, especially the interface bonding and NTP. This chapter, you will learn how to configure the interface bonding and NTP. Let's take a look at each one by one. The first one is the interface bond. Genian NAC has the ability to bond its interfaces together to provide HA high availability, preventing from the temporary errors or network accidents. Genian NAC bonds two interfaces into one logical interface. Genian NAC supports one style of bonding. It is active standby mode. The term of bonding is called in various ways. In case of Linux OS it is called bonding, and under Windows OS it is called teaming, and under the Cisco it is called Ether channel, and under APA it is called HPUX. There are 7 methods of bonding the interface. However, Genian and NAC highly recommend you to adopt mode number 1. It is active standby. Please take a look at the screen. There is 3 steps for configuring the interface bond. You can also experience how to do it with watching the next tutorial video. Now you can check the settings and its information that you have done with the manual configuration. There is shown the information except account information and the network information. Please double check if all of the settings are correct. The second one is NTP, that is Network Time Protocol. Under the Interactive Wizard mode, this NTP is provided as one of the basic settings by default. However, under the manual configuration, you should additionally set this featured by the manually. Configuring NTP is used to synchronize between internal or external NTP server and the policy server. If there is not the configuration of NTP, Genian NAC acts to synchronize automatically a domain of pool.ntp.org as the NTP server. Let's take a look at how to configure NTP with the next tutorial video. So far, you have been learning how to configure bonding interface and NTP in the policy server by manually. Next time, we are going to learn how to install Genian NAC network sensor.